you guys? It's your girl Kiana Montoya, and I am back at it again with another video. As y'all could tell by the title, today's video is going to be a look for less handbag edition. So if you're interested in watching, definitely stay tuned. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, be sure to subscribe if you would like to. Make sure to interact with your girl down below in the comment section. Talk to me, and I definitely do talk back, as well as be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a look for less video featuring an Hermes Kelly dupe, and I'm actually super excited about this unboxing. I first came across this handbag on TikTok. I first saw it on Julia Marie B on TikTok. I love her TikTok. She's just a fly fashion girly, and she's always showing a lot of looks for less, and I love how she mixes designers with a lot of lows. I really love her for that. And I also saw this bag featured on TikTok by my girl Hunter Rain, and she's another fashion girly that I love. So I will be sure to put their TikTok names across the screens so y'all can go check out their TikToks, because I love watching their TikToks, especially when it comes down to the fashion. So this bag is by Lily and Bean. Like I said, I had never really heard of the brand before until seeing their TikToks. And y'all, this bag is gonna be so cute for the spring and the summertime. And if you want that Hermes Kelly look, definitely run over to Lily and Bean ASAP. Let me go ahead and just get straight into the unboxing. So this is the box that they kind of like package it in. Just a simple white box. Mine did come a little bit beat up a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna keep the handbag inside of there anyway. This is how it looks. So you get your packaging slip, and then also just like a little card or whatever. And then this is how the bag comes in its dust bag. This is actually a really nice dust bag. So let's just go over the details a little bit. The name of this bag is the Hetty Mini Bag. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's H-E-T-T-I-E. I got it in the color rose pink. I decided not to do initials on my bag, but you do have the option of putting initials. So maybe if I purchase another one in another color, I may do the initials the next time around. But I think I just decided to go without the initials because I really just wanted to get as close to like a Hermes Kelly dupe as possible. But if I'm not mistaken, you definitely can customize Hermes bags, but you know, I'm not in that category yet. I'm not in the orange box category, so I'm not too versed or familiar with their bags, but one day I will be. It also comes with a fabric strap as well. So the original price of the bag was $160. I was able to use a welcome discount code, which brought the bag down to $144 for my subtotal. Now y'all, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I was not going to go through with the transaction because the shipping killed me. Like, how am I going to give your girl a discount but then just tax me in the shipping? Like, the shipping was $39, okay? And this bag does ship from the UK. So, in total, I did pay $183, but I'm not gonna lie, this is a all leather bag, so the quality is there, so the price is definitely reasonable for the bag being all leather. And y'all know me, I am a handbag person. Majority of my money does get spent in handbags, so it's okay, I understand. But I just had a moment, you know, with the shipping. Like $39, the devil's a lot. So they also just sent this other just like a little postcard, I guess you could say, inside of the packaging. And as you could tell, they do like a lot of bags that kind of mimic designer bags or dupes to designer bags. As you could tell on the back here, this kind of mimics a Chanel bag. So yeah, this brand does a lot of high quality dupes because their bags are real leather. Y'all, let's get to the unboxing. Let's get to the unboxing because I did not open this bag up all the way yet. Do y'all see this color? When I tell y'all, like, I'm falling in love with the color pink, I am falling in love with the color pink. This bag is so cute. Let me take the wrapping off of it. Okay, yeah, because this is my first time just really opening it up. So I'm going to be back once I take all of the wrapping and everything off of it so y'all could get the full look and the full vibe. Y'all, I am so impressed. This literally looks like a mini Kelly. This is the definition of a look for less. Like, this is the definition of a dupe. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I'm just being so delicate with this bag. I had to use tweezers to take the plastic off of the hardware because I just did not want to scratch it. But I'm just loving like this pink and gold vibe. It has the 4 feet on the bottom of the bag. And once again, this is like all leather. This is genuine leather. This is how the inside look. It does have just one pocket. But y'all, this bag is beautiful. Beautiful. And then it did come with 2 straps. So it came with the all leather strap. And then it also came with this fabric strap, which let's be for real, I probably will not be using this fabric strap, but I definitely will take advantage of the leather strap. Like, listen, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm trying to give Hermes vibes all spring summertime, okay? Like, fake it till you make it. But this bag is so pretty. It's so pretty, and I definitely want to get a few more colors of these. Like, I think I would prefer investing in these instead of like a real Hermes bag. Like, to be honest, I could get the look for less and save some coins. Like, this bag is so cute, y'all. So stinking cute. Like, I want to get all colors now if I can. Like, I literally want to get all colors. I'm going to add these straps on there so y'all can see how they look with the straps, and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so this is how it looks with the leather strap. They just have like the little D-ring hooks right up here that you can just clip your strap onto. Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna give me a little scarf. I'm gonna give me a little scarf to tie around the top handle. And like I said, we are going to be giving Hermes vibes all summer without the Hermes price tag. Like, this bag is so beautiful. Let me add the other strap. So the other strap is real cute as well, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not my vibe. I'm not a fan of like the fabric material, but it definitely does get the job done. Like, this is such a cute bag. Leave a comment down below and let me know what y'all think, because I am feeling this bag. Like, it is so cute. Like, I'm just shocked. Like, I'm really just shocked at like the quality, the look of it. Like, I feel like I got me a little Hermes Kelly, like a little mini Hermes Kelly, and I really don't. But you know, this is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the video. Y'all, I am super impressed with Lily and Bean. I'm definitely wanting to check out some of the other colors that they have in this bag, but also just check out some of their other bags as well, because they do also offer luggage. They also offer cosmetic cases, and you can customize all of your items. So I'm impressed. I am impressed. This bag, once again, is so cute. Definitely giving me Hermes Mini Kelly vibes, like without the price tag. So I'm truly impressed, truly in love, and I definitely recommend for you guys to go over to the website and check them out. But if this is your first time coming across my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe if you would like to. Make sure to interact with your girl down below in the comment section. Talk to me, and I definitely do talk back, as well as be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out.